And from there, let's check out some of the top trending stories we tracked at the courtrooms.
We begin with the report that the Chief Judge of the Federal High Court of Nigeria, Justice Abdullahi Abdul Kafarati, has released a timetable for the 2018 annual vacation of the court nationwide. Pursuant to the provisions of Order 46, Rule 4D of the Federal High Court Civil Procedure Rules 2009, the Federal High Court will proceed on its annual vacation for the year 2018 from Monday, the 9th of July to Friday, the 14th of September 2018. The court resumed on Monday, the 17th of September 2018. The Chief Judge says the litigating public will, however, be at liberty to approach a few functional courts which will remain open during the vacation period to attend to only extreme urgent cases. In the same vein, the Chief Judge of the Lagos State High Court, Justice Okpeyemi Oke, has, pursuant to Order 45, Rule 4D of the Lagos State High Court Civil Procedure Rules, approved Monday the 16th of July to Tuesday the 11th of September as the dates for the vacation of the judges in the state. Like the Federal High Court, a few judges have also been appointed to sit during the vacation to attend to urgent cases brought by the public during the period of the vacation. The Lagos State Judiciary has fixed its new legal year service for Monday, the 28th of September. Staying in Lagos, the state government has arraigned the Danish man, Peter Nielsen, who allegedly killed his wife and daughter. The trial judge, Justice Bola Okikiolu-Ihile, subsequently fixed his trial for October the 8th and 9th. Peter Nielsen was arraigned on Wednesday the 13th of June before Justice Okikiolu-Ihile at the Lagos High Court sitting in the Igboshere area of the island on a two-count charge of murder contrary to Section 223 of the Criminal Laws of Lagos 2015. The Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice, Adeniji Kazeem, who led the Lagos State prosecution team, told the court that Peter Nielsen, aged 53, allegedly killed his 37-year-old wife Zainab and his 3-year-old daughter Petra on the 5th of April 2018 at about 3:45 a.m. at their Banana Island residence in the Ikoyi area of Lagos. The defendant, however, pleaded not guilty. Still in Lagos, the Federal High Court on Wednesday, June the 13th, ordered the temporary forfeiture of 2.2 billion naira recovered from a former Chief of Air Staff, Air Marshal Adeshola Amosu. Justice Mojisola Olatoregun made the order after listening to an ex parte application brought before her by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC. The judge also granted an interim order for the temporary forfeiture of another 190 million naira recovered from a former Nigeria Air Force Director of Finance and Budget, Air Commodore Olubenga Gbadebo, and another 101 million naira recovered from Solomon Enterprises, a company linked to Amosu. The EFCC had told the judge that the various sums were reasonably suspected to be proceeds of unlawful activity. Justice Mojisola Olatoregun has adjourned till June the 29th and directed the EFCC to publish the interim order in 2 national dailies so that the respondent or anyone interested in the sums can show cause why a final order of forfeiture should not be made in favor of the federal government. Another judge of the Federal High Court in Lagos on the same Wednesday thwarted the bid of the Asset Management Corporation of Nigeria, AMCON, to take over the land and property known as the Federal Secretariat Complex, Ikoyi, Lagos. Justice Ibrahim Buba, in his judgment on the issue, reiterated that the federal government of Nigeria and its agencies are bound to recognize an arbitral award rendered in December 2015. AMCON had sued businessman Wali Babalakin and his company Resort International Limited on November 2012 to seek an order for the repayment of a sum of 21 billion naira, which it claimed comprised principal sum and accrued interest on various loan facilities allegedly granted to them. But in a counterclaim, Babalakin and his company contended that they are not indebted to AMCON, but that instead a 4 billion naira facility offered to the company is an equity contribution which was wrongly classified as a loan. Justice Buba upheld the senior advocate's argument and also awarded 3 billion naira in his favor for a libelous publication made by the federal government and AMCON against him. And we round up with the report that the High Court of the Federal Capital Territory, Gudu Abuja, on Tuesday, June 12, sentenced the former governor of Plateau State and serving senator Joshua Darie to 14 years imprisonment on charges of criminal breach of trust and criminal appropriation of the state's funds running to over 2 billion naira. Justice Adebukola Banjoko, in her judgment, convicted the former governor on 15 out of the 23 counts preferred against him in July 2007. She sentenced Daria to 2 years imprisonment on each of the 5 counts bordering on criminal misappropriation and 14 years jail term on each of the 11 counts of criminal breach of trust. The judge, however, ruled that all the sentences would run concurrently, implying that the convict would have to spend 14 years in jail.
And that's the program this week. Please feel free to send in your comments. Do also remember that you can watch this episode and past episodes of the program on our YouTube channel. I'm Shola Sheeli. Many thanks for watching.